Can you really turn a simple text prompt, blog post, or audio file into a professional, high-quality video in just minutes without any editing experience? Today, we're looking at Steve AI, a patented AI video creation platform that claims to do exactly that. But is it actually the best AI text-to-video generator for your workflow? Let's break down what it does, how much it costs, and whether it lives up to the hype. Steve AI stands out because it holds 3 patents and is trusted by over 7 million users. Instead of just giving you one style of video, it allows you to generate over 7 different output styles, including full animations, generative AI, and live-action videos. If you struggle with writing prompts, their advanced prompter is a game changer. You just describe your basic idea, and the AI builds a structured script and turns it into a finished video for you. It also features multi-voice storytelling, which uses realistic AI voices to create natural conversational audio for your videos, and Clipmaker AI to quickly spin short-form content for social media out of simple text or images. When it comes to pricing, Steve AI offers a free tier to let you test the waters. If you decide to upgrade, their paid plans are structured at $19, $39, and $99 per month, making it accessible whether you are an individual creator or a larger team. Now, for an honest reality check. While the platform claims a massive user base, we currently have limited independent hands-on reviews in our database to compare its long-term performance against other tools. Because of this, we highly recommend starting with their free trial to see if the video quality and generation speed fit your specific creative style. If you want to try it out for yourself, head over to steve.ai and start creating. Have you used Steve AI yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews.